Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg quiche. First, gather your ingredients, eggs, milk or cream, and your chosen fillings. A pre-made pie crust saves time and effort, making this a quick and delicious meal. You'll want about 4 large eggs and 1.5 cups of milk or cream for a standard 9-inch quiche. Whisk these together until well combined, creating your rich custard base. This simple start ensures a smooth and flavorful foundation for your savory pie. Now let's prepare your delicious fillings. For vegetables, consider sautéing onions, bell peppers, or spinach until they are tender and any excess moisture has evaporated. If you're including meats like bacon or ham, make sure to cook them thoroughly and drain any fat before adding them to the quiche. Finally, grate about 1 cup of your favorite cheese, such as cheddar, Gruyere, or Swiss, to add a wonderful creamy texture and rich flavor to your quiche. With your fillings ready, it's time to assemble your quiche. First, spread your cooked vegetables, meats, and grated cheese evenly across the bottom of your pre-made pie crust. This ensures every slice gets a good mix of flavors. Next, carefully pour the whisked egg and milk mixture over the fillings, making sure it's distributed well. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the center is set and golden brown. Once your quiche is beautifully baked, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Allowing it to cool for about 10 minutes helps the custard set properly, making for cleaner slices and a better texture. Quiche is delicious served warm or at room temperature. If you have any leftovers, simply cover and store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. They reheat wonderfully in the oven or microwave. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax after cooking, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.